Dream nostalgia videos are getting massive attention on TikTok, with many of them reaching millions of views. The best part is that these videos are actually very easy to create. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to make your own dream nostalgia videos using Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Create the image first. Open Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now go to AI Image Generator, then choose Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model. Next, copy the text to image prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt box. After that, adjust the resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your dream nostalgia image will be created automatically. Step 2. Generate the video. Now head over to AI Image My Creations, select the image that Edimakor just generated, right-click it, and choose Image to Video. Edimakor provides several advanced and powerful AI video generation models, including models like Kling 3 and Seedance 2. You can experiment with different AI models and compare the results to find the one that works best for your style. For this video, I'll be using the Seedance 2 model. After that, copy the image to video prompt from the description and paste it into the prompt box. Then set the duration and resolution before clicking Generate. Let's take a look at the final result. Step 3. Export the video. Next, move to the top right control panel and click Export to save your video. If you successfully share your video on social media platforms and include Edimakor's tag, you can even earn extra credits. With just a few simple steps, you can easily create these viral AI dream nostalgia videos yourself. Go give it a try. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.